Think you need to have a website up so you can make money online? Well, you don't, and I'm here to talk to you as to why, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to talk to you all about why you don't need a website to start making money online. But before I get into that, make sure to push on that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so y'all get notified whenever I make new videos for all of y'all, okay? So nowadays it doesn't hurt to have a side income, and in fact I would say it's kind of becoming necessary to have a side hustle, something that can produce you money on the side to help you know make ends meet and even thrive in today's economy. Okay, and one of the things that I really want to talk about in this video is the notion that you do not need a website so that you could start making money online. You don't. Okay, when you think about a lot of the online income models, you start thinking of things like Amazon FBA, drop shipping, e-commerce stores, affiliate marketing, all those different models. One might think that you might need a website to start making money with it, and I'm here to tell you, you absolutely do not. Okay, going back to affiliate marketing is basically when you promote other people's products and other people's services, and every time there's a sale generated through you, that's when you make a commission. And that is a fantastic model to leverage other people's products and services so that you can generate an income for yourself by just saying, hey, this is a great product and this is a great service. Okay, two major issues that I see with that, and that is this. Okay, you get as an affiliate, you get traffic to go to a landing page. Through that landing page, you collect some contact information from people. After you collect that contact information, they go to the sales page, and sometimes there's a sale there and sometimes there isn't. But when you make a sale, you make a commission. If there is no sale, that's when you start a series of emails, keep contacting the person, and see if they decide to buy later on. Because a lot of people do not buy on the first encounter. Sometimes it takes 7 or 8 encounters for them to actually commit and make a sale. Okay? So you go through this process, and sometimes you make a sale initially. Sometimes it takes several emails to make a sale. You make a sale, you get paid your commission, the company has a new lead, and everybody's happy, right? The problem with that is that there ends up being a whole bunch of other sales on the back end, meaning after that person makes their initial sale and they're not as worried as pulling out their credit card for the first time and buying something, even though it might be low ticket, because the initial sale is always the hardest sale to make. Once they take out their credit card one time, it's going to be easier for them to take it out a second, third, fourth, fifth, so forth and so on time to make another purchase. Okay, and the problem that I see a lot with affiliate marketing is that you only benefit from the initial sale. After you get that initial sale, you don't benefit from any of the back end sales, and the back end sales are where the money really is. That's when they buy the upgraded version or the wholesale version of a certain product. And the fact that we miss out on that means that we're missing out on a lot of money. So problem number one that I see with affiliate marketing is that you benefit from one sale as opposed to benefiting from an affiliate ecosystem. In an affiliate ecosystem, you can benefit from a whole bunch of sales that happen in the back end. That way you increase your overall revenue from one single client. Okay, it's all about having an affiliate ecosystem versus a simple affiliate one-time sale. Problem number two is that a lot of us don't know how to set up an affiliate ecosystem. Because here's the fact of the matter, right? When somebody tries to set up their affiliate marketing business, they're going to need some tools, hand down. They're not upsells, they're nothing like that, but they are tools that you do need to build your affiliate marketing business. Okay? If you were to hire a contractor to build a house, he's going to need to find plumbers, electricians, carpenters, so forth and so on. All these different guys, not to call them tools or anything like that, but let's just say, to not offend anybody, right? You're going to need plywood, you're going to need studs, you're going to need paint, you're going to need wiring. Those different tools to build up the house, you're going to need concrete pipes. Those different tools to build up the house, you're going to need tools as well when you're building your affiliate marketing system. So going to back to problem number 2 is that a lot of people don't know how to build an affiliate marketing ecosystem to where you do profit from selling those tools, because you are going to need a landing page creator, you're going to need a email autoresponder. You might decide to invest in a webinar platform. You might decide to invest on different messaging products or message bots or things of that nature. So what if instead of benefiting from one single sale, you could benefit from a whole bunch of sales that happen in the back end? Okay? What if every time a customer comes in, not only do you make the few dollars commission up front, but you also end up making commissions for life? Okay? Now, one of the things that really stops people from making their ecosystem happen is that they simply don't know how to set it up. They don't know how to plug in their autoresponder with their web page lander, with all the other things that they need. They don't know how to exactly piece it together so that when a customer comes through there, they buy the product here, they buy the product there, they buy the product there. They don't exactly know how to piece it together. What if I were to tell you there's a program where all that is already done for you? It is literally plug in and play, because you are not building this system. The system is already built for you. And so the way you get access to that is by partnering up with somebody who has already been there, done that, and has the system created for you. Okay? So if that's something that interests you, if you would like to plug into a system that is already done, ready to go, completely set up, you just need to plug in, play, and start creating multiple streams of income. Not just one single income, but multiple streams of income. Meaning you can make affiliate sales from the initial sale, from the click tracking software, from the landing page, from the email autoresponder, all those different things. You can start generating continuous recurring income from that simply by partnering up with someone who has authority in this field, and that has a system that has been proven to work and has generated millions of dollars and lots of stable recurring income. If that's something that interests you, make sure to click on the link below. Get in while it is really inexpensive. I believe they're going to be raising the prices really soon. So if that's something that interests you, make sure to click on the button below. Gain access to it right now while it's still hot. Well, guys, that's all that it is that I have for today. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Hope you learned something. If you did, make sure to leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you